What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at Turbo/Tether. It is Wednesday, July 10th. The last video I just recorded, I wasn't even sure what day it was. I thought it was Monday or Tuesday. It's Wednesday the 10th. Turbo/Tether daily chart. OKX will be where the price data exchange is coming from here. We have Turbo down 1.8%. We have Bitcoin higher, 816 bucks, making a new higher high. Turbo fading a little bit here. We're going to talk about some levels. We'll check out the Fear and Greed Index in the cryptocurrency markets. It's still low. It's at a 28 after a pretty big rally here in Bitcoin. So we have Turbo. A few days back, we have a move of 51%. We had support show up at 318,358. That's right here in orange. Big move up. We're pulling back. It'd be nice to see the price close above 39,040. So that's right here, guys. This red line that runs horizontal on the screen, potential support area. And so far, we're just below it. So ideally, this market, let's zoom in here. Ideally, this market rallies back up today, okay, today or tomorrow, sooner the better, and closes above 39,040. And then that would tell us that these markets are actually ready for a big liftoff back to the upside. If this level, which it is right now, is flipped into resistance, so that you can see the price getting pushed back below it, that's not good. And that just starts to weigh the odds of us actually heading lower, potentially back down to the 31,835 level right here. So close to where the lows were. So that's what we're keeping an eye on here on Turbo, the 39,040. We want to get it back above that level. If not, the odds start to weigh us heading lower, 31,835.8. So that would look like another drop of about 16+%. If we start to move back higher above the 39,040 and close, that starts to tell us that the odds are weighing a move back to the upside, potentially back up to 52,350. And from the 39 level, that's about a 33 or 34% move. That also would give us a higher high. So as of now for this Turbo chart, we have the lower high, lower low. We have basically, I'm not sure if this is a higher high. It's very close, but we have we don't have the higher low yet. We want to see a higher low and then another higher high. That'll tell us that the trend has changed back to the upside, at least for the short term. But we don't really know where if this thing will even bottom here. Chances it makes a new lower low. So a lot of moving parts. I get it. The real key takeaway, though, today is to watch the 39,040 level, and ideally we close back above it. If we close below it, it just starts to tell us that the odds favor a move lower back down to 31.8. A close above it tells us that the odds start to favor a move back up to 52,350. So that's pretty much it. This thing is in a pretty steady downtrend here. I'm just looking for the higher low, which could lead to us a higher high, change in trend back to the upside. Higher lows, higher highs, lower lows for a downtrend. So Turbo currently trading at 38.19, down 1.23% off the highs. Looks like our pullback so far off the highs is about 61%. We talked about a new all-time high price target not too long ago. Doesn't mean we'll get there, but it is a valid target. That's up there at the 133,106. So that's 0.0133106, and that is from current prices roughly a 250% move to the upside. So I'm rooting for it close above 39,040, and then we can start to look at something like this. Start making higher lows and higher highs. And the next target, again, would be 52,350 for Turbo cryptocurrency. Understand, this is a meme coin. Understand, I do not own this. If I were going to buy it, that's what I'd be looking for. I'd be looking for a print of a higher high, and that would show me that there is some smart money coming into these markets. There's some strength coming into these markets. I don't want to buy this thing as it continues to trade lower and lower and lower, because it might never recover. It might never recover. There's pretty high risks in these cryptocurrencies, guys. Understand that. Let's take a look at BTC USD. It's up 890. So Bitcoin, on the other hand, we just covered this in the Aerodrome video. Bitcoin, on the other hand, actually has we have the higher low that was printed here on the 8th. And today we have a higher high being printed. We actually are rallying up. We have a higher high being printed. We have some resistance showing up at these, what was the level? 59,910.50. That's right here in green. That's a potential area of resistance, and you can see the price pulling back right to that level right now. But we do have a breakout to a higher high. It'd be good to see a strong close today for Bitcoin. That would tell us that these markets favor more of an upside move than they do continuing back down. And the next target above the market would be 60,205.47. So a lot of moving parts, I know, but hey, that's the way it is. And keep your eyes on those levels on Turbo. Keep your eye on the, it would be nice to see a close above 58,910. Next target, 60,205.47 for Bitcoin. Heading over to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index 28. We are still in extreme fear, and markets are rallying. So it's a good chance we have seen the bottom, at least for the short term. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. Of course, not financial advice. Good luck out there, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. You guys take care.